Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Thursday, July the 8th, 2010. At E-mini Day Trader, we like to use the market profiles. If you've never seen any of these videos before, this is today's profile and corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this is the big day that happened yesterday. So we were looking at support anywhere from around 56 on down to as low as 47. The market overnight dipped down to 55. And then in the regular trading hours, so this was the 55 low, then I got to 54 here in the regular trading hours. So the market is maintaining its upward bias. We did have some shorting opportunities today, but we knew we had to be nimble with them, and then ended up with a really nice long trade to finish off the day. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at here. So you can see here on our chart, in real time, our trades are set up and triggered for us, although obviously trading is much more than just following a mechanical system, and we do that. Every one of these arrows identifies a trade, and here's all the trades that we had today that were set up. This last one here, it was not filled. On a long trade, you'll see a dashed blue line. The market never did come back to it. This is our last trade of the day. It was the best trade of the day. We got long right in here. You can see it was triggered here. Got long here and had a really nice run up on that one, the best trade of the day. So we did have some other trades. As you can see here, we had our first trade of the day was a short trade right here. That trade worked out really nicely. It moved 3 1/4 points in our direction, so nice profit on that trade. The second trade here did not. It did back up on us a little more than we wanted before it had the down move. The long trade right in here turned out to be a break even. We really had the preference to try and get long on a pullback today. This pullback really wasn't enough of a pullback. The later trades that were pullbacks ended up by being trades that we ended up by getting on board. So this trade right here, the second trade, the third trade. So this is our third trade here, and our fourth trade here. This trade worked out okay. It turned out to be a break even. It just kind of went back and forth a little bit too much before it had a nice dip. This was a very aggressive type long trade here, so we ended up by losing a point on that trade. This trade in here, this long trade in here, entered right here and had a nice bounce to it, and then we got a short signal, which turned out to be a break-even trade. You can see it just kind of went sideways back and forth there, and then we had the really good trade here to finish out the day. I think we had 7 trades. So we still think the market is headed higher. We're looking now at probably around 62 as good support, with the intention of at least hitting 69.50 and maybe 77.50. And then further support down below around 57 if it were to get that low. So those are really the numbers that we're looking at and what we think is likely to take place in the market as far as support and resistance goes, up here at 69 or so and then 77. So that's a quick look at the market. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. I always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.